Accept. Accept. To receive or agree to something. She accepted the job offer. Accept. Accept. Excluding or not including. Everyone is coming except John. Affect. Affect. To influence or have an impact on something. The bad news affected her mood. Affect. Affect. The result or consequence of an action. The new policy had a positive effect on sales. There. There. Shows possession by a group. Their house is beautiful. There. There. Refers to a place or introduces a statement. The keys are over there on the table. Then. Then. Refers to time or sequence. We will have dinner and then watch a movie. Than. Than. Used for making comparisons. She is taller than her brother. Loose. Loose. Not tight or firmly fixed. Her dress was loose. Lose. Lose. To be unable to find or retain something. Don't lose your keys. Weather. Weather. Refers to the atmospheric conditions. The weather is nice today. Weather. Weather. Introduces alternatives or possibilities. I don't know whether I should go. Principal. Principal. Refers to the head of a school or an important sum of money. The principal of the school greeted the students. Principle. Principle. Refers to a fundamental truth or belief. She believes in the principles of honesty. Complement. Complement. Something that completes or goes well with something else. The red shoes complemented her outfit. Compliment. Compliment. Praise or flattering remarks. She received a lovely compliment on her presentation. Advice. Advice. Noun referring to recommendations or guidance. She gave me good advice about my career. Advise. Advise. Verb meaning to offer counsel or advice. I advise you to reconsider your decision. peak, peak. The top of a mountain or highest point. They reached the peak of the mountain. Peak, peek. To glance quickly or sneak a look. He took a peek inside the box. Fewer, fewer. Used with countable nouns. There are fewer apples in the basket. Less, less. Used with uncountable nouns. She has less time to finish the project. Farther, farther. Refers to physical distance. The store is farther down the road. Further, further. Refers to an extension of time or degree. We need to discuss this further.